let's try to understand what is superposition. So superposition is something like that. Let's say you have something in your hand, let's say coin. Okay, so when you toss this coin, you don't know what will happen, it will come head or tail. So the when the coin is on fly, you can say, when the coin is on fly, you don't know what will be. So when the coin is on fly, this is called superposition. Okay, so there is a 50% chance that you will get head, and there is a 50% chance you will get tail. So this is actually called superposition. Now try to understand age gate actually with the superposition. Okay, so let's say you have one ball which is white, and you put it in a age gate, and this age gate will give you a superposition output. What does it mean? That you will get a white ball and you will get a black ball. So what is the probability? You will get a white ball, the 50% probability, and there is a 50% chance that you will get a black ball. Now if you think as a black ball, when you put a black ball here in the same age gate, there is a 50% chance that you will get a white ball, and there is a 50% chance that you will get a black ball. But this will carry, let's say, a negative with it. Okay, okay, this is actually the thing. Now the problem here is that when you are using two edge gate, let's say you put a white ball into one edge gate, and then this edge gate result had been sent to another edge gate, and you will certain that you will get, always you will get a white ball. Or if you put a black ball and send it to one edge gate and another edge gate, the result of this edge gate into another edge gate, then you will get, certainly you will get a black ball. Whatever you put here input, the output will be similar. How does it possible? There is a 50% chance, there is a 50% chance, there is a 50% chance, there is a 50%, so that should be also 50%, 50%, right? So how it is possible? So it is possible to explain through metrics, but I want to explain it through a visualization. So let's do that. Now as we say that we are sending the input into two edge gate. So let's do this in here. Now as I said that if you put a black ball into a edge gate, you will get a negative black ball, right, and a white ball. Now come into this point. So let's say I send a black ball into one edge gate. What will be the output? We know that we will get a white ball and we will get a black ball with a negative of it. Okay, now as I have applied two edge gate, so this gate will be applicable for this white ball and also this black ball. So I am going to visualize this in this way. Okay, now there will be two output as well. So one white ball, one black ball. That's very simple, right? Now this output will be one white ball, one black ball. As I said that black will have always have a negative one. Okay, so carry a negative one. So this will carry as this is a negative, as you can see. So this will carry a negative one with, okay, let me clean this. Okay, this will carry a negative into the white ball and a negative of the black ball. So what will happen here? So as you can see, there are two negative, right? Now it is positive, right? So what will happen, from this we will get a positive black ball, right? And here as you can see, this is a negative and this is a positive, so this one and this one will be cross. Now you have a 50% chance to get this black ball, and you have a 50% chance to this black ball. So it is 100% sure that you will get this black ball, because there is no white ball actually exist here, right? Now come to white ball, how it's work. Now I want to give you an example for white ball. So there is a edge gate I apply, Now this age gate will provide you, okay, give me one second. Okay, so here again I'm going to apply white ball into one age gate first. So this will give me two output, okay, one white ball, one black ball. Okay, there is no negative here, as you can see, because white ball will never give you any negative output. Now what I have to do, I have to put this into age gate and this into another age gate. Okay, so when I put this into another age gate, now this will give me another two output. One is white ball, one is black ball, right? Now this one will give me a black ball, a white ball, a negative black ball, right? So what happened here now? Now this is negative and this is positive, it will be cross out. So there is left only white ball. So it is 100% sure that you will get a white ball. So we can assure, we can understand that if I apply two age gate, why it is 100% sure that the input will be the output. Okay, if it is input is black, then you will get the black output. So this is the reason. This is actually visual representation. So there is also a matrix visualization. Maybe I will do this later on. Thank you.